In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Truist Online Banking in 2025 step by step. Whether you're a seasoned online banking user or someone who's just getting started, this guide will make the process a breeze. So let's dive right in and simplify your online banking experience. To begin, you'll need to open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Once you're on your browser, head over to the search bar and type in Truist Bank. Press enter, and you should see a list of results. In our case, we're specifically looking for the official Truist Bank website. It should be the very first result that pops up. Go ahead and click on that link to proceed. Now that you're on the Truist Bank homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You should see a Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner of the web page. Click on it, and this will direct you to the login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID. Your user ID is the unique identifier that you created when you registered for your Truist online banking account. Remember to be cautious and ensure that you enter the correct user ID to avoid any login issues. After entering your user ID, the next step is to enter your password. This is another layer of security to protect your banking information, so make sure that your password is kept private and difficult for others to guess. As you type your password, you'll typically see dots or asterisks instead of letters or numbers for security reasons. If you're on a personal device and want to double-check your password, you might find an option to view it temporarily. Once you've carefully entered both your user ID and password, it's time to click on the Sign In button. This action will log you into your Truist account, granting you access to your online banking dashboard. Here you can manage various tasks such as checking your balance, making payments, or viewing your transaction history, all from the comfort of your device. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to log into Truist Online Banking. Just a few clicks and keystrokes and you're managing your finances with ease. Don't forget to log out of your account once you've finished your banking activities, especially if you're on a public or shared computer, to ensure your account remains secure. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day and happy banking.